One thing that is both annoying and uncomfortable, and can become quite unsightly, is a cracked heel. These little problems can become quite a nuisance to you, as well as become very painful. A cracked heel can come from dry and thickened skin. It can also cause these unpleasant symptoms: redness, itching, inflammation or swelling, peeling skin. When you see these issues forming, it is important to take action right away. Quick action will reduce the symptoms and prevent the crack from getting deeper and bleeding. Cracked heels are caused by a variety of different things: dry air, lack of moisture, not caring for your feet properly, unhealthy diet, aging, standing for long period, improper footwear. You may also be more likely to develop cracked heels if you have been diagnosed with the following conditions: eczema, psoriasis, corns and calluses, diabetes, thyroid disease. Here are several ways to treat cracked heels right at home. 1. Lemon, salt, glycerin, rose water foot mask. Before you can enjoy those heels again, you must heal your skin. This mask is perfect for taking care of cracked heels. 2. Vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is beneficial to more than just baking tasty treats. Since feet usually crack because of dry skin, keeping them moist is the secret to getting rid of cracked heels and preventing them from occurring. 3. Bananas. Ripe bananas are one of the cheapest home remedies for cracked and dry heels, thanks to their moisturizing properties. You can also create a foot mask at home using a ripe banana and avocado. Avocados and coconuts are high in essential oils, vitamins, and fats. Because of this, the mixture treats cracked heels and keeps your feet soft and moistured. 4. Vaseline and lemon juice. Another interesting mixture that can cure your cracked heels is Vaseline and lemon juice. 5. Paraffin wax. This is very helpful way to heal your cracked and painful heels. 6. Honey. Honey is not only a delicious ingredient to add to your tea and to your morning toast, it can also help to heal your cracked and dry feet. 7. Rice flour. Another great scrub that is an effective way to keep your feet soft and healthy is using rice flour. 8. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is an ingredient that has many benefits, both within the kitchen and in the health and beauty department. It is one of the most natural ways to get smooth and healthy heels. 9. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a delicious breakfast food, but who knew that it could also take care of your heels? 10. Sesame oil. Sesame oil is also an effective tool to fight against cracked and dry feet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe Beauty Tips Guru. Thanks for watching.